Hi everyone, welcome to Road to CAT 99. So this video is mainly for the CAT 2025 aspirants, right? I am probably taking a guess whether either you are a fresher or you are a repeater, है ना? काफी लोग ऐसे होंगे जो fresher होंगे जो first time CAT 2025 को attempt कर रहे हैं, and I think this video is mainly for you because you will have a lot of doubts regarding when to start the preparation, what is the right time to enroll for a coaching, right? What are some of the traits that you look in a coaching before enrolling yourself into that, है ना? We will discuss all the details in length, right? First thing first, right? या तो आप fresher होगे, है ना? Either you are in college or you are just preparing for the CAT or you are having a job along with your CAT preparation, या फिर आप repeater होगे, and repeater generally have some idea about the CAT, about the timeline that you should follow. So mainly this video is for the freshers or the people who are attempting the CAT for the first time, and हम यहाँ पे discuss करेंगे कि when you should enroll for the CAT coaching or when you should start the CAT preparation, right? A little bit about myself. My name is Pallav Goyal and I am currently a student at IIM Ahmedabad. I cracked IIM Ahmedabad in my third attempt. In my first attempt, I scored 99 percentile, but unfortunately, I did not receive the calls from ABC. I think it requires more than 99 to get a call from ABC, even if you are a non-engineer. And I have a 999 profile, but still I did not get any call in my first attempt. So I appeared for the second time, still couldn't get a call from ABC. And in my third time, I get call from ABC LK from all the IIMs for the first time, and I cracked all the IIMs right in my third attempt, and I took admission in year 2023 in IIM Ahmedabad, right? And in my total journey, in my complete journey, I have attempted CAT for the 5 times, and almost 3 times or 4 times I scored more than 99, and 3 times I scored 99.9 plus. My best scores are 99.99 in the LRDA. In the quants, I scored 99.93. In the VRC, my best score is 99.46, right? So let me tell you my story, right? When I was in college days, I was in third semester. I just moved to the third semester. It was CAT, it was year 2019. So there was a lot of fear and a lot of confusion क्योंकि उस टाइम पे इतना YouTube नहीं होता था, इतने mentors नहीं होते थे, और accessibility भी कम थी. So I walked to different institutes to inquire about the process and all that stuff. और वहां पे the one thing that I found common is the fear, है ना? मैंने अगस्त में इंक्वायरी स्टार्ट करी, and my CAT attempt, the first attempt was in the next year's November, like 14-15 months ago. I started the inquiry process, and जहां भी मैंने विजिट किया वहां पे मुझे यही बताया कि you should enroll today only. कई जगह तो ऐसे ही, हर जगह ऑलमोस्ट ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि there are just 2-3 days left, and after that the batch will be closed, you will be late, you should start early and all that stuff, right? And to be very honest, I got enrolled in August only. The classes started in November or October or November. But generally, जो October से February, March तक classes थी, वो काफी, I would say there was too much gap. And the topics that we covered during that time was very simple, right? मतलब percentage का topic, equations का topic, profit and loss का topic. Both class 10th level के topics उन्होंने करवाए during that time. And the classes were like one class per 15 days. Right? So it doesn't make any sense. It is just that you are feeling that you are covering a lot of things. You are a CAT aspirant, but technically you are wasting your time during that phase. So according to me, the right time to start the CAT preparation, right, is February or month March, right? या तो आप February से start करो serious preparation, या March से start करो. That is the first answer. And generally, I think that you require around 6 months to prepare for the CAT. 6 months of serious preparation is more than enough for any candidate, right? Let's say it is very difficult to follow the strict schedule across all the 6 months. So with some flexibility, I can say around 8 to 9 months are more than enough, है ना? 8 or 9 months से ज़्यादा आपको नहीं चाहिए. If you are serious throughout the 8 or 9 months, है ना, with some flexibility, I think you will be able to ace the CAT. That is the first thing. Second things, अब आप पूछोगे sir, if not now, then what we should do from now onwards till the February or March month, right? So what I would suggest is कि you should start exploring the CAT papers, you should start exploring the CAT pattern, you should start talking to different people, you should start consuming the content that is there on the YouTube. Why I am saying this is कि because CAT mocks or CAT the score improvement in the CAT, or the people who have scored 99 percentile in the CAT or 99 plus percentile in the CAT, one thing is common, that they are the self-motivated people and they are willing to learn a lot of things, right? So CAT journey में throughout आपके क्या होगा, राइट. देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ फेजेस जहां पे आपको थोड़ा मोटिवेशन फील होगा, जहां पे आप लो फील कर रहे होगे, है ना. बट द वन पॉइंट दैट इज कॉमन अमंग ऑल द एस्पिरेंट्स हु स्कोर 99 इज दैट दे आर सेल्फ लर्नर. सेल्फ लर्नर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सब कुछ आप खुद से करो, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी विलिंग टू लर्न द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, यू शुड बी विलिंग टू लर्न द न्यू स्टफ. आई थिंक यू शुड डेवलप दैट ट्रेट फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स. तो नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आपको क्या करना है, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि 15 to 20 minutes reading per day, right? It will not harm you at all, right? It will improve your reading skills, it will improve your comprehension skills, right? You should consume any editorial from any newspaper, right? When I was the aspirant, I wasted a lot of time in finding the best newspaper, in finding the best novel to read, in finding the best website to read. I would say कि जो भी है आप क्लास फर्स्ट की बुक से भी स्टार्ट कर दो. Just start reading for 15-20 minutes every day. In the morning, in the night, in the evening, whenever you want to, maybe whenever you are having dinner, lunch, or maybe whenever you are having your tea, right? Just start reading the 15-20 minutes. That's it. That's more than enough. You don't need to do anything at all, right? Apart from that. After that, maybe 4 or 5 sets per week if you want to do. If you want to do less, just 2 or 3 sets per week, LRDI sets. And the source for that set should be the CAT past year actual papers, right? You should start from that if you want to do something between this period. For the quants, I would suggest you to target 1 chapter per month. That's more than enough. 1 chapter per month, any chapter from any topic, and the source should be YouTube. YouTube पे आपको बहुत सारे टीचर्स मिल जाएंगे. Don't find the best because the best find करने में बहुत लोग बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं, right? You can start with any teacher. No teacher on the YouTube teaches you some random concepts, right? अगर वीडियो का टाइटल है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, there will be concepts related to the profit and loss in that video, and I think it is very understandable, है ना. You can open any video, you will able to learn at least some things from that video. Try to target that. And for the question practice, time material is the best for the quants. Use that material for the question practice. Why I am saying this is because let me tell you the life cycle or the timeline that an aspirant follows after the enrollment in some coaching. For example, let's say you enroll in some coaching in February or March, right? क्या होगा, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर तक तो आपकी फुल फ्लैश कैट प्रिपरेशन चलेगी. यू विल नॉट गेट मच टाइम. आप साथ में कॉलेज कर रहे होगे या कुछ भी कर रहे होगे, है ना. एंड देयर विल बी टाइम्स व्हेन यू आर स्कोरिंग वेरी लो. तो वहां पे अगेन आपको बहुत टेंशन होगी, बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट का स्कोप होगा. तो वहां पे भी आपको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. टिल नवंबर यू विल बी कंप्लीटली बिजी. आफ्टर द नवंबर you will be busy in the OMATs, you will be speculating your percentile, your marks and all that stuff. तो जनवरी तक आपका ZAT होता है ना. ZAT तक आप बिजी हो गए इन द NMAT, SNAP एंड अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स. आफ्टर ZAT जैसे इस बार 5th of January को है, उसके बाद यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ B school calls, इंटरव्यू कॉल्स. तो इन द जनवरी, इन द दिसंबर यू विल बी बिजी इन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द GDPI राउंड. एंड फेब्रुवरी से आपका एक्चुअल GDPI राउंड स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, है ना, 3 महीने आपका पूरा GDPI चलता है ना. द डेट्स आर रैंडम, द कॉलेज इन्फॉर्म्स यू अबाउट द डेट, राइट. आफ्टर दैट May, June is for the result. So you will wait the entire May or the June for the results, and after that you will make your decision whether to join some B school in July or whether you should repeat the CAT. So you can see that after enrollment in some coaching in the February or March, you will not get much time to do other activities. So I will also suggest you to build your profile or to do some extra things, whatever you like, है ना, to improve your profile, to improve your candidature for the B school in this time, right? From December to February to March, you don't have much time, but in these 2 months, I think you can do a lot of things if you want to. So well plan your journey in these 2 months and contribute these months or utilize these months for the other activities, right? Abhi se, and I am very sure why I am answering these questions in this video is that I am getting a lot of queries from students ki what is the right time to enroll and which is the right coaching, right? First question, what is the right time to enroll? I have already talked about February and March. There will be a lot of pressure from coaching people. There will be a lot of fear created by coaching mentors or XYZ people. Ki abhi enroll karo, we are starting early, we will be able to complete the syllabus, this and that. But the serious preparation, even from the coaching mentors, also start from the February or March only. This is my view, right? The second point is which coaching is best, right? Barring few 2 or 3 extreme cases, I think all the coachings that are there in the market are good enough to make you understand some things, some basic things, or to make you understand 80 to 90% of the syllabus. 10-15% ऊपर नीचे अगर चलेगा भी, and if you are serious about the CAT preparation, I'm pretty sure you will find good resource either on YouTube, on Telegram, or here or there, and you will be able to cover all the things, right? So you don't need to bother too much about the coaching thing. But yes, when you have 2 months to explore till the February or March, I think you should explore, you should take reviews, you should explore the YouTube channel, and whosoever fits your approach, your requirement, है ना, whatever pedagogy you like, right, consider that teacher and enroll for that coaching, right? That is very simple. Don't make the journey too complex, right? जब मैं भी एस्पिरेंट था, मुझे भी लगता था कि यार मैं बेस्ट रिसोर्स करूंगा, मैं बेस्ट लैपटॉप लेके करूंगा, बेस्ट मॉक सीरीज करूंगा, बेस्ट ये करूंगा, बेस्ट वो करूंगा, आई विल गेट द बेस्ट रिजल्ट, राइट? बट द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स इज कि द एफर्ट्स शुड बी बेस्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड, राइट? इफ द एफर्ट्स आर अलाइंड, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इनटू ए प्लेस, राइट? जब तक आप अपनी तरफ से नहीं स्टार्ट करोगे, एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ रिपीटर्स एग्री टू दिस, राइट, कि जो ये एक्सपीरियंस मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं, दिस इज द रियलिटी, राइट? हैविंग बेस्ट मेंटर, हैविंग बेस्ट थिंग, देखो एक कोचिंग कोई भी उठा लो, देयर विल बी 99 परसेंटाइलर्स फ्रॉम दैट कोचिंग, एंड देयर विल बी पीपल हु स्कोर्ड 50 परसेंटाइल फ्रॉम दैट कोचिंग, राइट? बट द पॉइंट इज ऑन द फ्रंट यू विल ओनली सी द रिव्यू ऑफ द 99 परसेंटाइलर्स. रिव्यू भी आप बहुत अच्छे भी सुन पाओगे उस कोचिंग के बारे में, बहुत नेगेटिव भी सुन पाओगे. नाउ इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि हाउ यू लाइक द पेडागोजी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टीचर, और आपको उसमें कितना ट्रस्ट है, राइट? After paying the money to them, after getting yourself enrolled, I think you should completely devote yourself to that teacher, and you don't need to run here and there, at least till your 70 to 80% of the syllabus gets completed. After that, तुम्हें बहुत नए टॉपिक्स पता लगेंगे जो आपकी कोचिंग में नहीं करवाए. This happens across all the coachings because there is no concise syllabus for the quants, है ना? Quants में भी you keep learning new things till the CAT, right? तो वो self practice पे काफी चीजें आ जाती है. When you want to improve your score from one point to the other, right? Whether it is from 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 90 to 99, 99 to 99.5, है ना? वो सब आता है आपके सेल्फ एफर्ट से, राइट? आपको कोचिंग वाला है जो भी है वो एक गाइडेंस दे सकता है, राइट? लाइक आई एम गिविंग यू राइट नाउ, बट आफ्टर दिस गाइडेंस वेदर यू आर फॉलोइंग व्हाट इज सजेस्टेड और नॉट इज कंप्लीटली अप टू यू, एंड दैट इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स अ डिफरेंस, राइट? दैट इज अ वन थिंग. सेकंड थिंग, प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग पे मुझे काफी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे. व्हाट इज अ राइट प्रोफाइल, हाउ यू शुड बिल्ड दैट. काफी लोगों ने कुछ किया नहीं है, कुछ इंटर्नशिप्स भी नहीं करी, कुछ कोर्सेज भी नहीं करे. सो आई विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल द थिंग्स इन डिटेल कि सब चीजों की क्या क्या वैल्यू होती है, एंड आपको इंटरव्यू में क्या हेल्प मिलेगी सबसे ज्यादा, राइट? सो आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो फॉर दैट, राइट? इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज कमेंट इट डाउन, एंड प्लीज कमेंट द टॉपिक जिसपे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो चाहिए, राइट? द लास्ट क्वेरी दैट आई वांट टू मेक इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन, a lot of students are asking about the start of the booster courses, right? So last year we started with the LRDI in the quants booster, and we started a little late. We started in August, and we promised to complete the complete syllabus. So in the 3-4 months we completed the whole syllabus. We did the mock analysis, we covered few past year papers also, but this thing I am making it more organized, right? First thing first, I am not taking any VRC classes, and we will not be having any faculty for the VRC. The reason for that is VRC के लिए market में there are very few teachers who can make you understand the VRC perspective, the VRC explanation from your perspective, right? That is very difficult job, and I have explored a lot of space in the market. I don't think a lot of coachings have very good faculties when it comes to the VRC, right? This is very clear. You can ask anyone, right? So that's why we are not promising anything for the VRC. We are suggesting you, please don't come to us for the VRC. Take out the best teacher in the VRC that is there in the market, and everyone knows that who is the best in the market for the VRC, right? And second thing is for the quants and the LRDI, I will be starting batch, right, in the February or March only. And the second point is that in those batches all the classes will be taken by me, all the content will be prepared by me, and everything will be handled by me only, right, from the taking classes and to solving the doubts. That is the first point. Second point is there will be no new faculty, right? What happens in the other coachings is that आपको promise कुछ और किया जाता है, then after few months there are new faculties jump in and they start taking the classes, right? Then the whole thing of exploring the different coachings and putting your trust in a mentor makes no sense, because फिर आपको कोई और चीज आ जाती है and आपको कई बार समझ आता है, कई बार नहीं समझ आता. And the third point is I will release very limited seats, around 400-500 seats will be there. Beyond that, it really doesn't make sense to me, because I will not be able to handle to see each and every aspirant in that space. That's why there will be 400 to 500 limited space also, and I will announce the launch of batch here only in the February or March. That's it, right? That was a small announcement that I have to make, and yeah, I will keep it economical only. Don't worry about that. And that's it, right? I hope you are doing great. Whosoever is preparing for the GDPI, wish you luck, and whosoever is preparing for the CAT 2025, all the best. Thank you.